In this experiment, I perform feature selection and feature extraction on the database dataset B1 wine quality feature.csv using a Python. This feature selection helps in identifying the most important feature for prediction. First, I'm going to do like performing the dataset. Like I'm going to read the dataset. I imported Panda libraries and read the dataset B1 wine quality feature.csv using the read underscore csv function and stored in the data frame. Uh, Next, I have used the drop chloride and free sulfide dioxide. I have removed the columns chloride and free sulfide dioxide using the drop function to simplify the dataset. Um, Third one, I have detected the outliers using IQR. I detected the outliers in the numerical column using IQR method. This column containing outliers are displayed and then removed using a temporary data frame. Fourth one, I have removed the columns using a low variance. I calculate the variance of the numerical columns and identify the columns with a variance less than 0.5. These columns provide little information, so they are dropped. And the fifth one is about identifying the columns with low correlation. I compute the correlation between the input future and the target column quality. Columns with the absolute correlation less than the 0.1 are identified. And the sixth one is about the drop of low correlation columns. I remove the columns with a correlation that is less than 0.1 and display the updated dataset like size. Here you can see it. And seventh one, like I have identified the highly correlation featured pair. I calculated the correlation matrix by identifying the pairs of the input feature, the correlation greater than 65%, excluding the target column. In eighth one, I have performed the drop-on feature from highly correlated pair. From each highly correlated pair, I remove one feature based on its correlation with the target variable quality. And the ninth one is like separate input and target variable. I separate the dataset into input feature X and target feature Y, where Y is the quality column. Here you can see the output. And tenth one is about like univariate feature selection. There I perform the univariate feature selection using a selection like select k best with a chi-square scoring and k equal to 5 to select the top 5 imported features, and this is the output of the result. And 11th one, I performed the mutual information. I computed mutual information score between the input feature and the target variable and identify the feature with the highest mutual information. And this is the output with the highest mutual information. And 12th one, I have performed the feature extraction using the PCA. I perform principal component analysis step by step without using the scikit-learn library and extracted the two principal components, and this is the output for the PC1 and PC2. 13th one, I have used the feature extraction using LTA. Finally, I performed the linear discriminant analysis using the scikit-learn library and obtained the first two LDA components. In conclusion, this experiment I have applied the feature selection and the feature extraction techniques such as variation filtration, correlation analysis, select best mutual, and PC and LDA. This method helps reducing the interrelated feature and improves efficiency of data analysis.